Hello friends, welcome back again. I hope you all are doing good. In this video we are going to learn how can we create a new channel on the Slack app. So let's get started. Once you open this Slack, you are going to get this page. Now you have to click on the add channels option on the left side, and here you can see create a new channel. Click on this and you have to enter name of your channel, and you can just click on the next. You can also invite external people, so you just have to tick this, and you can see Slack Connect lets you work together right in this channel. Start a free trial to give this premium feature of no credit card required. So if you want, you can start a new free trial and just click on the next. You can just choose the visibility of your channel. You can keep it on public, anyone in the kingdom, or you can keep it private. Only specific people can see this and join this. So you just have to choose any option, click on the create. Now you have to add people. If you want, you can also skip it. So you have created a new channel here. You can see this is your new channel. So this is how you can create a new channel here. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this, and I will see you in the next video.